What if you have to correct a question after the quiz has been taken? So in this quiz, I have a question where the answer is wrong. It says 1 plus 1. Really, it should be 2, but I've accidentally said it's 1. And worse yet, students have taken the test, and this student said it was 1 and technically got it right even though it's wrong. I auto-published it, so they think they got it right. And it's not always a good idea to auto-publish just for this very reason. You might want to just hold back before you release the grades. But I've made this one release the grades just for demonstration purposes. And student number 2 here, they got the question right, but they didn't get any points because I made the question wrong. So now what to do? And what to do is you click the down arrow beside the quiz, and I went to assessment quizzes, and then click the down arrow and go into grade, and then go into questions, the third tab. And all the questions will be listed here. I only have one, but you normally would have many. So find the question that has the problem in it, click in there, and then you could either give 1 point to everybody and just save that if it's a problem question. Or in my case, I'm going to say people who have said that number 1 is the right answer should receive 0 points. And then people who said that number 2 is the answer should get 1 point. I say, are you sure? Yes. And then to see if this worked, I'm going to go first to my first student, and I'm just going to say done. And now you'll see that if they go to attempts quizzes, they can see that they've done an attempt, and if you go into it, you can even see it. And I see that student 1 who really did get it wrong indeed doesn't get the point. And student 2, I can even refresh this screen. Oh, I guess I can't. Student 2, if they go into their grades, they can see that they got the point and they got it correct. So that's how to fix a quiz.